What's up, Joshua Clubhouse? We back with another video. So guys, you need to hit that subscribe button. You need to hit the subscribe button. And today I'm gonna show you my morning routine. Okay, come let's go. I'm really upstairs right now. I'm just going to go downstairs. I forgot my room is upstairs. Guys, that's my room. It's a little messy because I don't like my room. I just be messy all the time, but a little bit. Sometimes I clean my room, sometimes I don't. Like, because I don't feel lost, guys. Now, let's get to my morning routine. Guys, I'm in my play area. So, guys, I'm gonna do my morning routine for y'all. My favorite. 3, 2, 1. First for my morning routine. So, I sometimes ride my bike around the whole house, but today I'm not gonna do it because today is a Saturday. Oh, I don't know. So, let me start. First, I will go 1, 2, I will go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So guys, I do push-ups and that's how I do my morning routine. So guys, those are my goals. I got my goals yesterday. Okay. Now, peace out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.